Today we want to introduce you to Delem DA-58T CNC controller for Otinus press brakes. The Delem DA-58T is an advanced controller that revolutionized the sheet metal bending process with its intuitive user interface. Equipped with a high-resolution touchscreen, this controller offers easy navigation and fast programming. The Delem DA-58T controller allows advanced programming of bending sequences by drawing the workpieces in 2D, allowing precise angle and position determination. The bending process simulation function minimizes the risk of errors and material damage, ensuring precise results. Automatic crowning is another highlight of the Delem DA-58T that guarantees reliable bending results regardless of material properties. Tool management is easy with the ability to create and search a tool database. The control automatically recognizes tools and adjusts operating parameters, speeding up the entire production process. The Delem DA-58T also offers an offline version of the software that can be installed on your desktop computer, allowing you to create programs in an office environment and then easily transfer them to your machine using a USB stick. Safety is ensured by advanced tool position monitoring and obstacle detection, protecting both the operator and the machine. The controller alerts you to potential problems with a part before the bending process begins. With the option of remote monitoring and diagnosis, you can check the condition of the machine at any time and carry out the necessary maintenance, thus reducing downtime to a minimum. The Delem DA-58T controller is also flexible and scalable, as it can adapt to specific production needs and support both small and large industrial machines. The Delem DA-58T is a reliable and powerful tool that improves efficiency and precision in modern manufacturing processes. Visit our machine showroom in Bydgoszcz, Poland, and experience how efficient a press brake with Delem DA-58T system can be for your business. Schedule a free appointment today. Call us 773-802-5868.